Okay, what's up YouTube? My name is Galen and this is Galen's Gadgets. So I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. And if you have not already, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing videos on budget technology just like this one. So today I'll actually just be showing you guys the setup of my OnePlus Watch. I'll show you guys just like all of the general things that I can do on the phone and on the app. So a lot of you know I had a lot of connection issues with this OnePlus Watch, and I finally got it to work. I think I had to like factory reset my phone, and I had to factory reset the watch multiple times, and I correctly downloaded the global ROM on this watch because I did not feel like going through that return process. So I finally got it to work. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. We're gonna start with the app. So again, this is the OnePlus Health App. As you can see today, I actually don't have any data because it's pretty late here. So I'm just gonna show you guys like my data from the past few days. So right here is Friday, so if I go back, if I swipe to the left, it'll take me back a day and a day before. So yeah, as you can see, everything is just really clean in this app. I really like this app a lot, like just for fitness data. I just really like the colors and just the organization of the app in general. So you can see you can track steps, your time worked out. I haven't done any workouts on this watch yet. And then calories and activity sessions, distance, just a tons of data to choose from. You also do get heart rate charts, and you do get sleep charts. I think this is very useful. I really like how organized that is, and it does seem pretty accurate after my few days of use. You do get a blood oxygen level tracker as well, and a stress level tracker, and then this is just more data for your workouts. So yeah, that's pretty much it on that first page of the OnePlus Health app. On the second page, you just get basically like a just like another workout session, so you can start your workout from here and it will sync to your watch, and we'll be using your watch's GPS and everything. And you can only run and walk on this section as well. Okay, so this last section is definitely the most important. These are just like all of your watch settings. So as you can see, it's a ton to choose from. Up top, you see the battery percentage as well as like the name of your device, the OnePlus Watch. This next section, you get tons of watch faces to choose from. Well, it's actually like not that many, but it's a pretty decent amount. It's categorized in a few different categories. Just gonna show you guys. So yeah, once you like choose a watch face on there, it'll like automatically be transported to your watch. Okay, so next is notifications. You can set your like which notifications you want your phone to show. I think that's really nice. That's a nice feature to have. These are just like a few of the apps that I want to receive notifications from on my OnePlus Watch. Okay, get up reminder, so this will like alert you when you've been sitting down too long. And then this is just your app permissions. You do have some different device settings too, such as music. You can upload music to your watch from here. Contacts, you can upload a few contacts so you can quickly call people from your watch. And weather, I'm just gonna change that to Fahrenheit. Okay, and then you can choose like your fitness goals here as well. So you can see mine is 8,000 steps and 300 calories. Another really nice feature that they have is this auto pause. So like when you're doing a workout and you stop it, it will automatically pause the workout on your watch. So here are some other health settings as well. These are like all of the monitors that you can track on your watch. You can turn that off or on as you please. I have everything turned on. So yeah, that's pretty much it with settings. There is a spot for updates as well. I am updated to the latest firmware version. Just gonna let that run so you guys can see. So yeah, I'm up to date. So yeah, that's really about it with the OnePlus app, I believe. Yep, you can change the units of measurement, and really that's about it. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to talk about the actual user interface and software and features on the actual watch. As you can see, there wasn't like really many like settings to the app. I was kind of disappointed in that, just because I'm used to seeing a lot more in like other wearables, but we'll see like how much the actual watch can do, this OnePlus Watch. So as you can see up top, you do have a always on display, which is really nice. I'm just going to talk about the screen quality first, because that's actually one of my favorite parts of this device. The screen quality on this is really good. So you can see that always on display, and you can see that black is just a really deep black, because this is an AMOLED display. Like, you can barely see that black at all. I really like what they did with the display on this. And then once you open it up, you get your watch face, and then I'm just gonna open up the menu so you guys can just see like how vibrant those colors are. You do get some very vibrant colors. Yeah, I really like the screen on this a lot. You do get a few different watch faces. You can access them by just pressing and holding, and then just swiping. I'm just gonna go back to this one, and then some of the watch faces have like different aspects to it. So if you tap this watch face, it just shows your fitness data directly, and when you tap it again, it just goes right back to the time. So I haven't played with all of them yet, but yeah, there are multiple watch faces, and you can look in the OnePlus Health App to choose the watch face that you prefer. So I'm just gonna go through the user interface of this. So just swiping up, these are your notifications. I don't have any right now because it's like really late at night here right now, but I really like the notification system because it provides a lot of information, and I just really like the fact that you can like create a quick reply in your notifications as well. So for certain apps, like I know Facebook Messenger and maybe your SMS app, I'm not 100% sure, but I know Facebook Messenger, you can like just generate a quick reply. Like, you can't type out the reply that you want, but they do give you like a few different options, such as like okay, or I'm on my way, or things like that. So I think that's really nice. So swiping down, you do get a few quick toggles. Those look really nice. So that's your do not disturb, automatic brightness, which is another good thing about the screen. It does support automatic brightness. Find your phone feature. So you can hear my phone ringing now. I think that's nice. Let me open up my phone. Okay, and you can set an alarm from this screen as well. Flashlight, and then your settings. So let's just go to the settings. You get your Bluetooth headset settings, so you can connect a Bluetooth headset to listen to your music from your watch. Display and brightness. I'm actually gonna turn up my display a little bit. Screen off time. Let's just go to 8 seconds. So yeah, again, you do get a always on display, and then you can change like the style of your always on display. I have it set to that first one, which is called echo motion. You do get the option to go neon red, or pin loop, or fireworks. The echo was my favorite. Okay, so you can set up race to wake if you'd like. I don't have that set up because I like seeing my always on display more, and actually like going into the watch when I get a notification or something. Again, automatic brightness, really clutch feature to have, so it will adjust by your surrounding. And then I just adjusted the screen on time, you saw that. You do get some sound settings. Okay, do not disturb for bedtime. Function key, you can actually edit your function key. I believe the function key is the top key. Your power key is going to be your bottom key. So I'm just going to keep that the same. The function key to go to my workouts. You can set up a password if you'd like. The where is changing from left to right. Language, of course, and then system. You can do these things from your system. So yeah, that's it on the settings. So basically the last thing, again, okay, let me just go to the menu here. All the things that you can see in the menu, you have activities, workouts, heart rate, blood oxygen, just basically all the features that your watch has. You're gonna see it here. Quite a few features to choose from. One thing that I wish they did have though is some sort of voice assistant. Like I wish they had some sort of Google Assistant or Alexa or something, because this watch does have a speaker. You can only use it to talk on the phone, but I don't talk on the phone on my watch. I just really wish they would have used those speakers for a voice assistant as well. So when you swipe right, you actually get these quick cards. This is what it's set as by default. By default, you get heart rate monitoring, sleep data, you get your music player, and then some more apps. I actually think I added this one, so I'm going to show you guys how to add and delete. So I'm going to delete this one now because that wasn't there before. So to add, you just hold on to like one of those cards and then you can press plus, and here are the other things that you can choose from. So yeah, do what you want with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the OnePlus Watch. As you can see, it just has all the necessities really, nothing really too extra. You can't really download third-party apps. You can't really like interact with you can't download Spotify or anything like that. But it does have all the basics, all of the basic health sensors and all of the basic just notifications and things like that you want to see on your fitness tracker or smartwatch. So yeah, if you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave in the comments, and thanks for watching.